Just verbally saying, look, if I run across X problem, I will solve it. I'll go to Google, I'll go to forums, I'll go to YouTube, I'll go to blah, blah, blah. And then if I can't go to there, I'll go to Billy Joe, the other worker guy, the other programmer, and get his inputs on it, right? And then maybe another person. If none of those can still help me, then I'll maybe go to my supervisor, or maybe I'll call a friend. Like any of these things, like just showing that you have these steps, and right, notate down those steps that I just mentioned there, that you'll go to Google, that you'll go to YouTube, that you'll go to, like, if you can notate those things, and then go, oh, and practically use those too in your career, because they're gonna take you places, right? You think going to Google, like, really, like, this is a funny fact, it's kind of a joke in the industry, but like some of the best programmers, they say, are just really good at searching on Google, right? Because there's so many problems that you run into that you immediately have to go to the internet to search for this problem and the solution to this problem, or, you know, try to find like some similar issue that somebody else has already overcame, and maybe your issue is the same issue, or at least point you in the right direction so you can do a more thorough troubleshooting.